Okay, it's problem 17 from chapter 6 of CFIN7. It's a yield to maturity calculation and a yield to call calculation. So we yield to maturity, we assume that the bond is outstanding until to maturity. With call, we have to take into account the call date and then the redemption price. So the redemption price will always be in future value register. So it's important. One of the big mistakes that I see is students put the redemption value in the PV register, which will result in an error. So channel workership, CMS has a 14-year callable bond with a $1,000 face value and a call value or redemption price equal to $1,070. The coupon rate of interest is 7%, which is paid semi-annually. Currently, the bond is selling for $886. What is the yield to maturity on the bond? So since the bond is selling for less than par, the yield to maturity is going to be greater than 7%. So equals 14 times 2. The PV is the 886. Entered as a negative. The coupon payment is $1,000 times 0.07 divided by 2. And then the face value or future value is $1,000. And then equals rate. So number of periods, comma, payment, comma, PV, comma, and then face value, comma. So 4.20%. So the semi-annual rate, so we have to multiply by 2. So 8.4%. So if the bond can be called in 6 years, what is the yield to call? So we have 6 times 2 is the N. So the price is going to stay the same, so we'll just pull that over there. And the coupon payment is not going to change. But now the future value is going to be the redemption price. So 1,070. And I actually could just copy this over, or I can do equals rate and number of period, comma, payment, comma, PV, comma, and then future value, comma. So 5.24%. So the rate's going to be even higher. Again, that's a semi-annual rate. Oops. So we have to multiply it by 2 to get the yield to call, 10.4%. So, and just an FYI, since the bond is trading at a discount, it is unlikely to be called, because that means that interest rates are actually higher than when the bond was issued. So it wouldn't provide any benefit of the issuer to refinance that or pay that bond off.